Hi, I'm going to present about basal ganglia today. Basal ganglia are a group of subcortical nuclei responsible for motor control, motor learning, behaviors, and emotions. The basal ganglia work with the cortex to plan and control movement, and with the brainstem to control muscle tone. They have no direct input and output connections to the spinal cord. They also help initiate and terminate movements, suppress unwanted movements. If you look at this coronal section of the brain, there is a caudate nucleus in the lateral walls of the lateral ventricle, and it's one of the basal ganglia. Lateral to the internal capsule, there is putamen and globus pallidus external and internal. They are called as lenticular nucleus and belong to basal ganglia. Finally, nucleus accumbens is the last part of basal ganglia. On this chart, the nuclei in the thalamus receives information from the basal ganglia and cerebellum, and the thalamus sends the information back to cerebral cortex. Then, cerebral cortex, particularly the motor cortex, sends messages to basal ganglia through the internal capsule. So there is a communication between basal ganglia, cerebral cortex, thalamus, and cerebellum. So this diagram basically shows the blood supply of the basal ganglia. Recurrent artery of Hubina supplies the blue part of basal ganglia. Middle cerebral artery supplies the body of caudate nucleus and the rest of the putamen. The tail of the caudate nucleus is supplied by the anterior choroidal artery.